Welcome back to the UltFone channel. If your iPhone X suddenly has a black screen and won't turn on, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to fix an iPhone X not turning on and the black screen of death issue. Before we start, connect your iPhone to a charger and leave it for a few minutes. Sometimes the screen is completely black simply because the battery is fully drained. If charging doesn't help, the problem could be caused by either hardware damage or an iOS system issue. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone X. If your iPhone X still won't turn on after charging, try a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If your iPhone turns on, great, the problem is fixed. But if the iPhone black screen is still there, don't worry. We still have 2 more options. Method 2. Restore or update the iPhone with Apple devices. First, connect your iPhone to a computer and put it into recovery mode. Quickly press volume up, then volume down, and keep holding the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Now open the Apple Devices app on your computer. You should see the option to update or restore your iPhone. You can try Update first since it attempts to reinstall iOS without erasing your data. If that doesn't work, Restore is another option, but keep in mind that restoring the iPhone will erase the data on the device. The process can also take some time. So if you want a simpler way to fix an iPhone X black screen without losing data, you can try UltFone iOS System Repair. Method 3. Fix the iPhone with UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair can fix more than 150 common iOS problems, including iPhone not turning on, black screen of death, boot loops, and recovery mode issues. First, download and install UltFone on your computer. You can find the download link in the video description. Connect your iPhone to the computer and open UltFone. Then click Enter Recovery Mode in the bottom left corner. Your iPhone will automatically enter recovery mode, so you don't have to do the button combination manually. Once that's done, click Start Repair and choose Standard Repair. This mode is designed to repair iOS system problems while keeping your existing data. Next, download the firmware package for your device. When the download is finished, click Start Repair. The whole process usually takes around 10 minutes. Once the repair is complete, your iPhone should restart and work normally again. And that's how to fix an iPhone X not turning on and the black screen of death issue. Hopefully, one of these methods helped bring your iPhone back to life. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.